Hi children, it's Miss Rosen here again for some more phonics fun. Today we're going to learn a new set 2 sound. But before we do, we need to practice the set 2 sounds that we already know to make sure we're really good at them. We're going to try and go through these really speedily. Are you ready children? Looking this way. A, or, oo, o, e, a. Very good. Should we see if we can go through them a little bit quicker? You're going to have really good magnet eyes for this. Are you ready? Let's go. A, or, oo, o, e, a. Give yourself a thumbs up if you managed to keep up. That was really speedily, so well done children. I think you're ready to learn our new sound today. It might be a sound that you've already seen before. Should we have a look? The picture looks like this. We've got some children and they've got their mouths open really wide. Can you show me your mouth open as wide as it can go? Brilliant, that was really wide. Do you know why their mouths are open wide? That's right, they're shouting. And we say, shout it out. Shout it out. Shout it out. Brilliant. This picture goes with this sound. It's a digraph. It's special friends. 2 letters that make one sound. And the sound it makes is ow. 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 Very good children. So when you see this side, you say ow. And when you see this side, you say shout it out. Shall I see if I can trick you? Okay, are you ready? Looking carefully. Did I manage to trick you or did you get them all right? Well done if you managed to get them all right. That was super, brilliant. Okay, right, you need to grab your whiteboard and your pen or your pencil and your piece of paper now because we're going to have a go at practicing to write this sound. So remember, it's 2 letters that make one sound. So we start on the line. We go up and all around the orange and then we do our join and then down and up and over the puddle. Ow. You ready? I'll show you again. Ow. This time I'd like you to pick up your pen or your pencil and we'll have a go and do it together. Are you ready? Getting your starting positions on the line. Up, back round the orange. Remember to join at the top. Down, up, down and flick. Fantastic. Ow, ow, ow. What I'd like you to do now is to pause the video and I'd like you to have a go at writing ow 10 times. Off you go. Brilliant children, well done and welcome back. What sound are we learning again today? I hope you remembered it's our ow sound. Good. Okay, what we're going to do next is I'm going to have a go at hiding our ow sound into the sounds that we already know to make sure we can find it. Are you ready? Right, I'm going to hide it well. I'm sneaking it in. When you see the ow sound, I'd like you to point at the screen for me. Are you ready? Did you see it? Are you pointing? Fabulous. Let's try it one more time. This time I'd like you to shout it out when you see it. Are you ready? I'm going to hide it again. I'm going to hide it well. See if I can trick you this time. Ready? Let's go. Did you shout it out? Brilliant, well done. Okay, let's have a look then at reading this sound in some words, in some of our green words. Okay, we're going to Fred talk and then say the word. Okay, ready? Special friends. Ow. Fred talk. Out. Out. Very good. Special friends. Shh and ow. Fred talk. Shh, ow, t. Shout. Lovely reading. Special friends. Ow. Fred talk. Ow, d. Loud. Special friends. Ow and Fred talk. Ow. Mouth. Special friends. Ow. Fred talk. Ow. D. Round. Last one. Special friends. Ow. Fred talk. Ow. D. Found. Give yourself a pat on the back for really super reading. Good. There was lots of special friends to identify in there, so well done. Should we see if we can find those special friends when we're reading alien words? Let's try 2. Are you ready? Special friends. Fred talk. B, ow, nt, bant. What a load of nonsense. That's a funny word, isn't it? Should we try one more? Ready? Special friends. Ow. Fred talk. Ow, k, souk. What a load of nonsense. That's a funny word as well. Just don't make any sense. Okay, children, before we have a go at spelling some of our words today, let's have a go at reading some words that contain the set 2 sounds that you should now know very well. Okay, we're going to have a go at trying these with Fred in your head. Okay, that means I'm not going to help you with these. It might be a little bit tricky, but remember to look for the special friends, to Fred talk and then say the word. Should we give it a go? Let's try it. Bit of a challenge. Okay, special friends. Fred talk. Play. Well done if you got that right, children. Let's try another one. Special friends. Fred talk. Three. Good reading. Special friends. Fred talk. Snow. I like to play in the cold snow. Special friends. Fred talk. Mood. Well done. When the sun's shining, I'm always in a good mood. Okay, special friends. Fred talk. Sharp. Brilliant reading. Last one. Special friends. Fred talk. Worn. Brilliant. That was quite a challenge there, children. So if you managed to read those words, I'm really proud of you. Well done. Okay, what sound are we learning today? Hopefully you've remembered it's our ow sound. Okay, let's have a go at writing some words that have our ow sound in it. Okay? The first word I'd like you to have a go at writing is shout. 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 How many Fred fingers do we need for that word? Show me. That's right, children. We need 3 Fred fingers. Squeeze those sounds with me. Ready? Out. Shout. Write it down. Okay, let's have a go together. So we've got lots of special friends in this word, haven't we? We should have sh, ow, t. Give yourself a tick if you got the sh. Give yourself a tick if you got the ow. And give yourself a tick if you got the t. Sh, ow, t. Shout. Brilliant. The second word I'd like you to write is loud. 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 How many Fred fingers do we need for that word? Loud. Show me. That's right, children. We need 3 Fred fingers. Let's squeeze the sounds together. Ready? L, ow, d. Loud. Write it down. Okay, let's have a go together. So the first sound was then we need our sound we're learning today, ow, d. Ow, d. Give yourself a tick if you got the give yourself a tick if you got the ow, and give yourself a tick if you got the d. Loud. If you made a mistake, don't worry, just correct it so that you can remember for next time. Should we try one last word? Okay, let's try found. 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 Really think about that one. How many sounds can you hear? How many Fred fingers do you need? Found. You need 4 Fred fingers for this one. Did you get that right? Because that one was a little bit trickier. Let's squeeze the sounds together. Ow. D. Found. Write it down for me. Okay, let's write this one down together. So our first sound was the f. Ow. D. Found. Give yourself a tick for the f, the ow, the and the d. And remember, if you made a mistake, don't worry, just correct it now. There were some quite tricky words there, so really well done if you managed to get them all correct. Okay, one last activity before we finish. We're going to do hold a sentence next. So, listening carefully, and I will tell you what the sentence is that I'd like you to write. Dan can shout. Dan can shout out. Dan can shout out loud. Dan can shout out loud. Dan can shout out loud. Brilliant. Write your sentence down for me and remember your capital letters and your full stops. You'll probably need a bit of time to write that sentence, so pause the video now and take your time. Okay children, now you've written your sentence, let's have a go at doing it together to make sure you've done it correctly. And remember, if you haven't done it correctly, that's okay, you can correct it yourself. So, our first word was Dan, and we know that at the beginning of our sentences we need a capital letter. So, D, A, N. Dan can out it out. Dan can shout it out. Perfect. If your sentence doesn't look like mine, then make sure you change it so it does look like mine. Brilliant. Children, can you remember what sound are we learning today? That's right, we're learning our ow sound. Brilliant. Your challenge for today is to have a look around your house and see if you can find something you can use to practice writing the ow sound. So it might be a paintbrush and some paint. It might be some colouring pencils. It might be some felt tip pens. It might be a paintbrush and some water. It might be writing it in some sand. I don't mind what it is, but see if you can find something so you can practice writing your ow sound. Well done children, you've worked really hard today. See you soon.